motto is everything you should do, put God first, and He will guide your effort and success.
Once again, Weda.
I stand out from the rest, not because of my beauty, but because of the color of my skin. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the city of Lipa. My name is Angel Oxid, and I represent the CPS Department. And I believe in the saying, angin pa palasyo, kung walang internet dito, mas mabuti pang sa bahay kubo, kung nasa wifi zone naman ito. I thank you!
Number 1. Okay, candidate number 2, Jaira Ho. July 25, 1992, Pantalawan, Batangas. His age is 20. Parang di naman. Parang mga 34 naman ito. Okay, from Sun Group Department, his hobby is playing computers. Hindi naman, parang carpentry ang hobbies nito. Ang vitamins sa physical, dalawa kayo. 36, 25, and 36. Diba? At nagkaroon siya ng motto. Ito ang motto niya. Black is beautiful. Too much black is charcoal. Once again, Jana.
Ayaw gabi sa tanan, or should I say good evening to all of you? This is Miss Universe 2011 fourth runner-up, Venus Ra. At naniniwala sa kabihang. Happiness is not a reward. It is a choice. Suffering is not a punishment. At least it is a result. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ang sabi?
Number 3, Fiona Mars. Also known as Christine Reyes.
May varicose veins.
Birthday, June 5, 1988. Living in Barangay Julian, Rosario, Batangas. Age 25, representing SE and Blue. Studies, dancing, swimming, playing volleyball, surfing internet, mountain climbing. Ay, madami. Sorry, nagtunong iba, ha? Vital statistics 31, 24, and 36.
A simple dream, with a simple dream is trying to become a beauty queen. All the way from Rosario, Batangas, in front of you at the 25 years old star always. Ate, para ako, para bago ang Batangas City. Natin yung harapan ang inagawan at lumaban ng isang lalaking pinakamamahal ko, Derek Rousey, Annalise, Christine Reyes. Thank you so much.
Our next candidate from AIC, Peñeza Inanday. Also known as Angel Loxel. 21, 1990, from San Roque, Rosario, Batangas, age 23. His hobbies are swimming the net, modeling, and dancing. Tara. Vital statistics, 34, 25, 36. Third motto is, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, malamang, sana ang inyong tingin. Galing, ganyan.
All the way from the home of Beauty Queen, our very own Rosario, Batangas. A 20-year stunner, my name is Ardeen and Dan. And I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so I must behold. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight, let me stand by the ring ang babaeng lumipad sa himpapawid kasama ni Agiluz, ang babaeng lumulok ng puting bato at sumigaw ng Darna, at ang babaeng nagpag-ibig sa puso ng mga soccer boys. Ako po, si Angel Locsin. Thank you, very good.
Ayaw niya kumembag. Ayaw niya kumembag.
Ronald Baroja.
Nakangalan.
Birth October 15, 1989. From Barangay TV, Pasig.
Dalagang Pilipino.
Grade 3 representing COS NL. Sabins, playing poker, Monopoly, and reading novels. Vital 36, 34, 24, 34. Its motto, give a man a fish and he will live forever. But teach a man a fish to catch a fish. But teach a man how to catch a fish and he will live for a lifetime.
Shabu-shabu.
The man for tomorrow is a game for today. At the home of the beauty queen, our very own, the amazing Philippines. At the capital region of Batangas, Lipas City. My name is Nancy Nicole Baroja, 23, Post NA. Taray lang na ng That's Victoria. Okay, our next student, Bibi Chloe Ernest, also known as Casey Concepcion. August 7, 1985, all the way from Sandudan, Laguna. Her age is 27 and some girl. Her hobbies are serving the net, listening to my favorite music, playing volleyball with friends, watching TV, and so many more. Her vital statistics, 34, 25, and 34. Her motto, kapag pinasapan ng bato, batuhin mo ng bulaklak. Isama mo ang paso para malakas ang impact.
It takes to be a queen to know another queen, and it takes to be a goddess to know another goddess. Ladies and gentlemen in between, all the way to the famous land of the Carlos Rizal, Caloocan, City, nasa inyo pong harapan, ang babaeng minsan nagpatibok sa puso na pihig ng Lola Pascual, ang X-Factor, host, at isa sa may pinakamagandang mukha sa showbiz, ang super Serena na CHC Department, Casey Concepcion. Thank you.
Thank you. Ang taray na luhod ka. Bongga ko lang. Okay, again, please welcome Arnie. Wela. Arnie, Chloe, Jaira, Dalcy, Palakpakan naman natin.
Kayo.
Oh.
Record na record mo ah.
Ayan, thank you so much. So napansin nyo hindi lumabas si Snow, di ba? Dito siya nagpapakita. Mamaya